Hello, lovely. I have something in my eye. Oh, you okay, eye? Are you okay? You're fine. Hello, lovely people. How are you guys? I still have something in my eye. What is going on? Oh, it's an eyelash. This little guy. You guys can't even see it. It was poking my eye. It was so annoying. I can't find my eye drops. Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my everyday summer makeup look. This is something that I would usually do if I'm going out. Just something very casual. Like, this is my go-to summer makeup look. I woke up like 30 minutes ago, you guys. I'm still sleeping, like literally. Somebody wake me up. What happened, skin? Why are you so red? Because I was slapping you? It's been a long time since I wore bandana in my videos, right? I'm wearing it like almost every single day. But in my videos, whew, it's been a while. So, see, every time I try to record a video... Stop, computer, don't talk. Every time I try to record a video, something is sabotaging me. There is always something. The electricity just decided to cut off for like half a second. Oh great, I don't have internet now. I just came back from a trip and I still have my products inside my little case here. Haven't even taken them out. So this is like literally what I would usually do every day. So usually what I would do is I would apply my skincare products in the morning and then I will go with my sunscreen. Now I almost always apply sunscreen because I sometimes forget. Okay? Happens to all of us. But I don't have a favorite sunscreen. I still haven't found that special one. I always find something that I don't like in my sunscreens. Some of them are very oily, others feel very drying on the skin. Most of them have that really annoying white cast. Sunscreen can be tricky. I don't have a favorite one, but lately I've been using these two. This one is by Drunk Elephant, this one is by Ren. I'm not crazy about either of them, but I'm using them because I was told that I should. Not these particular ones, but sunscreen in general. I'm not gonna use any sunscreen today because I'm not going out. I'm just gonna do my makeup and stay at home. It's kind of sad. So for my primer today, I'm gonna go with this one here by Laura Mercier. It's their Pure Canvas Primer in Protecting. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply this all over my face. And I'm gonna take the tiniest amount of powder. This one is by Zoeva. Tap off the excess. My brush barely has any product on it. And I'll go ahead and set my forehead. Because usually my forehead is the one that gets very oily. I mean, not very oily, but it gets oily and it's kind of annoying. So I like mattifying it before I go in with my foundation. And also a little bit here on the sides of my nose. So for my foundation, I'm gonna mix these two. This one is by Laura Mercier, Flawless Fusion Foundation in the shade 1CO. And what's new? Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Hydrating Foundation in 150. Whenever I apply my foundation like this, my dad absolutely hates it. Look how red my skin looks here. Because he's like, you're doing your makeup as if you're painting a wall. I agree. It looks like that. I need something to mix those foundations, and if I'm using a brush, then I can use that brush to apply them on my face. I'm applying my foundation like really roughly with it all over my face. I mean, I'm gentle, but the application is rough. Am I really gentle? I don't know. I want to believe that I am. But yeah, see, now everything is all over my face, but if you see it up close, it looks very, as if I painted a wall. I need something to make everything look more smooth, more natural. So I'm gonna take my sponge, it's already nice and damp, and I'll go over everything. See, the sponge takes away all of that excess product, and it blends everything perfectly into my skin. I love mixing those two foundations together. They look really good on the skin. The coverage is nice, the finish is just perfect. Not too matte, not too dewy. Awesome. So for my eyebrows today, I have a new favorite eyebrow product. Oh my god, you guys, why nobody told me about this one earlier? I was wasting my time using products that didn't work for me. It's not actually an eyebrow product, but I love using it on my brows. I'm literally obsessed and I'm looking forward to doing my brows now that I discovered this. Got to be by... I'm definitely going to pronounce this wrong. Schwarzkopf. I don't think that you're supposed to pronounce the F at the end. Schwarzkopf. Anyways, this thing is awesome. This is literally glue for your hair or your brow hairs. You can put your eyebrow hairs however you want with it. Usually my eyebrow hairs are growing downwards like this, but I like putting them up. I like making my eyebrows look more fluffy, more lifted, and it's so hard to keep them like that throughout the day. Before I discovered this got to be, I guess, hair gel, the only thing that worked for me before that was the soap brow product. However, it was making my eyebrows feel very waxy, you know, it was making them feel weird. This one is also making them feel weird, but in a different way. I like this kind of weird a little bit more. So the soap brow thing was making them more waxy, more... I can't really explain it. I think that waxy is the best word that I can use for that. But this one, it's making them feel very hard. Like I can literally poke people with my eyebrows. They might look fluffy, but they feel solid. My eyebrow hairs are cemented like this. I had this on my brows for over 12 hours. They did not move. Somebody actually recommended this in a comment under one of my YouTube videos, and I was like, okay, let's try it out. Nothing to lose. And oh my god, it was the best idea ever. Whoever recommended this to me, if you're watching this, thank you. Although it's not meant for the eyebrows, you can use it on your brows. Anyways, now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadows. I mean, I won't be wearing any eyeshadows today, but I always like adding some concealer all over my eyelids. You guys, what am I doing? I forgot to fill in my brows. Benefit Browsing's Pro Palette. I'm gonna take this shade here, and now that I've put my eyebrow hairs in place, I already have a really nice eyebrow shape. I don't need to reshape them anymore. I just want to make them look fuller. Alright, now I'm gonna take some powder again, and I'm setting with it that concealer that I applied all over my eyelid, because if I don't, it will start creasing. This here is the NABLA Cupid's Arrow eyeliner. It looks like this. It's a little bit more thick, but this is so soft and so creamy. It's amazing. I will start off from my lower lash line. I'm gonna apply this as closely to my lashes as possible, like this, and then I will kind of extend it towards the tail of my brow, like this. And this product is so nice because it's giving you time to blend it. It's really easy to blend. So I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna start smudging it. And I'm also kind of bringing that on my eyelid here. And I always find that I extend it a little bit more than I want, but that is really easy to fix. Now I'm gonna take, Now I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty, it's like an eye pen. This is again a brown one, and if you don't have those two, that's okay. You can either use one of them or you can use whatever you have, whatever eye pen you have, if you want to follow this tutorial. But I'm taking this one, I'm gonna apply it exactly at the same place where I applied the previous one, like this, but I'm not gonna extend it that much. And this one dries out more quickly than the NABLA one, so I'm gonna start diffusing it, not losing any time. Okay, and now I got something like this. I'm gonna take a baby wipe, create a nice sharp edge here. And to set those eye pencils in place, I'm gonna take some brown eyeshadow. You can use any brown eyeshadow that you have. If you're using black eyeliner, go with a black eyeshadow. If you're using purple eyeliner, go with a purple eyeshadow. Just an eyeshadow that matches your eye pencils. I should have cleaned everything at the end with that baby wipe. I'm diffusing the edges with that pencil brush. Some concealer. And we are basically done. So what I basically did is I created an eyeliner which is hugging the outer corner of my eye. Like this. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I feel like when I start my eyeliner from my lower lash line and then I extend it towards my eyelid, that way I'm less likely to mess it up. I'm less likely to create a very thick wing. I don't like thick eyeliner on me. I think it looks good on some people, but on me, it's not flattering at all. I don't like it. So yeah, an eyeliner which is hugging the outer corner of my eye. I like how I said that. Like this describes it perfectly. So I already curled my lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and coat them with some mascara. My all-time favorite mascara is the Hourglass Caution Mascara. But they recently came up with a new mascara. It's this one here, it's the Unlocked. Instant Extension Mascara. And I've been trying it out. I like it. It makes my lashes longer. I think that I like the wand of this one a little bit more than the wand on that Caution mascara. Usually my mascara is smudging in this part of my eye, right here. Throughout the day, I will get mascara here. But I don't see that happening with the Caution mascara by Hourglass or with this new one that they recently released. Recently released. Why is this so hard to say? And I always do this after applying my mascara. Cause see, all of this is excess product. I will add some of that Fenty eye pencil in my waterline, but just in the outer half. Now I'm gonna conceal my under eye area, but I need a mirror for that. For my concealer today, I'm using, I still have mascara all over my fingers. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade 03 Fair. I applied too much. I always make sure that I bring my concealer in this inner corner of my eye. Going back, what is this here? Let me go check it out. That's better. So, going back to my powder by Zoeva, I'll lightly dust it all over my face. I'm dipping my brush and then I'm tapping off the excess. Now I'm gonna take some blush. I'll go with this one here by Hourglass. This is one of my all-time favorite blushes. I really like this color. And it has some sheen in it, which is giving me some glow. It makes my skin look more dewy. See, I like that. Also a little bit on my nose and on my forehead, just whatever I have left on my brush. I also like taking some of that highlighter and bringing it under my eyes. I know that this may sound crazy, I know. But see, when I'm applying my highlighter, I kind of feel like this exaggerates. Oh, my nose. Because I feel like when I apply my blush, that kind of exaggerates that dark blue, purple color that I have in this area of my eye, even if I have concealer on. I'm probably the only one who sees that. And again, I'm using a very small amount. It's like almost unnoticeable. I'm not covering my under eye with blush, okay? That will be crazy. What I have under my eyes here, it's more like dark purplish blue color. So the pink blush really neutralizes that. I also like taking some of my blush and applying it in my crease. I basically covered my whole face with blush. I like blush, especially this one. On my everyday basis, I'm not using any contour. I sometimes use bronzer on my forehead only. Let's do some bronzer. I'm taking this one here by NABLA, Skin Bronzing in Ambra, just on the top of my forehead. Really buffing that into my hairline. That bronzer will add some color on my forehead, but it will also contour it. I have some forehead space, so that will kind of make my forehead look a little bit smaller. It will create the illusion of smaller forehead. I don't really care about that. I really like the color. Like, it makes my whole face look more sun-kissed. I need a little bit more powder in this area here. I really don't like wearing very thick lipsticks, especially throughout the summer, but I like some color on my lips. So I'm gonna go with this lip pencil by JOUER. I'm just applying it on my cupid's bow and then I'm using my finger to kind of smudge it everywhere. See, when I'm wearing more simple makeup looks, I don't really like creating very perfect, crisp lines. I like the edges of my lipstick to be more soft, my eyeliner more diffused. Everything looks a lot more natural when it's not perfect. And now I just grab whatever lip balm I have around me. I'm gonna use this one here by Milk, the green one. It doesn't look green when you apply it on your lips. Oh, I found my eye drops. It's too late now. Oh, I also really like this one here by Huda Beauty. This lip balm is so good. It is so soft. I kind of want to apply it now. Okay, I can go with it now. Oh, it feels so good on the lips. Really like the texture of this one. Ofra makeup fixer. Alright guys, and this is our final look. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I feel like this is more of like a 30 minutes kind of makeup look. Obviously I wanted to show you some extra steps. This is something that I would do if I have a little bit more time to get ready, but if I don't have time to get ready, I would just skip some steps. This is usually how I do my makeup. Like, let's see how much time I have to get ready. 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do something for 15 minutes. I have 2 hours. I'm gonna do something a little bit more, you know, I'm gonna play with some eyeshadows, maybe try out some new techniques, new products. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because that helps me a lot. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll have links to all of those down in the description box. I also have a second channel here on YouTube. You can go and check it out as well. What else? I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!